time to work out, please come and join me. I'm already busy running up and down. Maybe you are in your house. I'm here for you. You can't go to the park. You have kids. They are there crying. I want to encourage you mothers, even fathers, you can work out at home. I'm here running, so you can even join me wherever you are. If you have a nearby park, go and run. The weather is so lovely. Okay, today I'm going to go down. I'm in the park. This is not a road, okay? And this is what I'm going to be doing. You can join me right now, okay? You push your legs up. Oh, it's hard work. If you can't do that, you can do this one. It works on your stomach and your legs. Remember to suck in your stomach. Okay. If you can't do those two exercises, I still have more for you. There's no excuse, darling. Health is wealth. Okay, if you can't do the two first exercises, you can do this one. You can do that. Do all these exercises for 30 minutes, at least 4 times in a week. I promise you, if you also watch what you eat, you are going to lose weight. Be encouraged, okay? Get in your sitting room, do exactly what I'm doing. You will lose weight. If you can't do that, there are so many options. You can do this one. Make sure you lift your leg up, okay? Turn your arms in, okay? And of course, you have to do the squats. I love them. They also work on the legs. They are very, very good. Okay, let's go. Can you see me, Robina? To make it even more effective, put your hands up and then you go. Make sure you push your butt at the back and bounce, or you can just go up and down. As you do that, you are working on your muscles in your legs, on your bums. It's very, very good. Okay. Yes, now, if you have your stairs, imagine these are your stairs in the house. You can run up and down. Climb the stairs in your house. That's another good workout. You can even go back. You are working on the muscles at the back, which is very, very good. And then you go back. Thanks for watching. Remember to join our Keep Fit page. Stay healthy. Oh, health is wealth. If you want to live long and enjoy the blessings of the Lord, please work out. Don't give it a deaf ear. Don't give excuses. I'm telling you, people are dying from strokes, high blood pressure. You know, I've had enough. Our family members have been dying, and I said enough is enough. Let's all say enough is enough. Go and work out. Have a lovely day. Ta-ra!